What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Let's tap in. Give me 1 second. All right, let's go over this pre-market. Got a little bit of time. All right. All right. Update my group. Copy link. Okay. All right, let's tap in real quick. Let's tap in. All right, so ES. I see we got a nice little broadening formation right here on the hour. We have been, this was support right here. And then now it's resistance. And so we got above it last night, but then we're definitely looking like we're showing some resistance right here. So this line is going to be very, very important. As far as the next level, this was a high point that was rejected. And so I want to mark this. Let's go and extend left. Extend left too. Okay, so now that we know this is a level, this is a zone, because they keep bouncing. This definitely was a support line right here. Support. Let's mark that. Okay, so this is support. So now we could probably come back down to this right here to close the gap. I wouldn't be surprised they come back and they broke above and then now think they want to come back and maybe support this, or they can continue to go back into this next level of resistance, because at one point this was resistance, got above a little bit, resistance, because you had a trend line right here. Boom. This was a little channel. And as you can see, they played around in this little box. It bounced up a little bit and then lost it as support, and then went back into it, resistance, and then try to get back above it. And now we're just playing with this line right here. The question is, are we going to get here and do this? That's we got to see. We got to see. So this is another area right here of resistance, big time resistance. Now you're just playing with all-time highs again. Yeah, so that area, resistance, back in June 2026, resistance again. This is the hour chart. So we're still stuck inside month. Another support line, so. All right, so we have this as a resistance line right here, support. This is a nice little broadening formation. I'm kind of feeling like they can come back down here at some point, or just keep going above, because we got big news this week when it comes to like earnings, got the FOMC meeting. We got all kind of stuff that's very important this week. So let's go and see. Yeah, we definitely locked in this week. That's a fact. Okay, let's go and try out SPX. I'm gonna try out my SPX levels. No, well, let's do SPY and QQQ. We're gonna do SPY, QQQ first, since I don't have a lot of time. We're gonna do the math. So I'm gonna do all my strat levels. Just give me a second. Let's go to SPY. Go to the daily. We are definitely gapping up. Market's crazy. There's a gap fill that it's definitely trying to do. I need to mark that right now. We got a fair value gap right here on the daily. Boom. So we are super close to triggering that. Okay, let's go to the pre-market low. Extended hours. Turn the pre-market high and pre-market lows on. All right. Got the pre-market high. Pre-market low. Okay. Do the same thing real quick for the Qs. Go back to SPY. Put it back on regular hours. And let's get the average true range for the daily. Okay. SPY. We got a daily close. Let's do this. 738.93 with an ATR of $8.15. Let's do the math on that. So we got 738 plus 93 cents. Oh, 738.93 plus $8.15 gives us a target to the upside of 747. Go to coordinates. 747.08. Said okay. ATR, okay. We can get as high as this upper target. Let's do the downside target. 738.93. Subtract $8.15. We can fall as low as 730 if they decide to get bearish today. But it doesn't seem like they're going to do that, but we still got to get the levels just in case. The market can take you for a wild ride. Okay, boom. Okay, we got a 2 up. Got a put entry right there. And we got a daily price target right here. Got another one right here. right, so that's the levels just in case they get bearish. Some set my alerts, and that I don't think they're going to do it because they gapped up a pretty good amount. We had an inside candle. No, we had a 2 down, not an inside candle. So we got a call entry to the upside that we already triggered pre-market. 4-hour call entry right here. They've already done it. They've already pretty much this was the next high. Price target 4-hour. We actually have a fair value gap right here on the 4-hour. Okay, 1 hour. We do got a call entry on the 1 hour. We're well above that. Well above that call entry 1 hour. They're all up into this gap. Price target 1 hour. They're above that. So there is a 1 hour fair value gap that need to be closed right there. Good eye. Super close to that as well. Okay, so those are levels for SPY. We're pretty much already doing this now. So we've already negated a lot of levels. So, I mean, I'm going to be looking to more than likely just kind of play the 15-minute ORB range and kind of see what they're going to do, if they're going to close this gap back to the downside or float back to the upside. Be careful of the choppiness in this market because they can definitely continue to chop this thing up. So let's do Qs. Okay, on the QQQ, we got to close. Got a daily close of 684. A lot of short covering this morning too. So if anybody that was still in puts on Friday thinking the market was going to fall, they are underwater. 714 average true range is $14.17. So let's do the math on this. So we're going to go 684 plus 23 cents. 684 and 23 cents plus $14.17. So they can get as high as 698. Go to coordinates 698 and 40 cents. Now let's do the addition for the downside. 684, 23 cents. Subtract $14.17. So I can get as low as 670. And 6 cents. I got a 2 down, which is a call entry on the daily right here. They can get as high as the next price target on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, we're just gapping above everything. Cog entry hour. Okay, and let's see what else. What else do we got? 1 hour. Yeah, we're above all this stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And they gapped up so much, it's not even no point of me marking this fair value gap on an hour, this and that. Yeah, so they've already negated a lot of this stuff. But these are my levels for QQQ. I don't have any put entries for QQQ, but we will mark PDL, previous day low. Boom. So if they do decide to do something crazy and sell off, they break below this, we already know what time it is, and then we could still mark this to the downside. We got a daily fair value gap right here that if the market just takes a dump because of news, we know the levels. So as you can see, this level, they've been holding this level right here to support, broke through and bouncing back up again. Let's mark this fair value gap up to the upside just in case they decide to go crazy. They're probably trying to close that gap up to the upside this week. That's probably what they're trying to do. And then come back down. Because see, we got, this was a nice support line. Yeah. Support, broke support, popping back up, probably close the gap, come back down. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We've been downtrending. This is another resistance. So they can pop back in here, still be resistance. And you got this. It's getting very interesting. It's getting very interesting. You can do all kind of stuff. But okay, that is my pre-market analysis. It was pretty quick today. Just wanted to hop on here and go over these levels and show you what I was seeing. I'll keep that up there just as a reference point. Okay, well, I'm up out of here. Just want to tap in with y'all, man, and make sure I'm consistent on YouTube. So I got to make some runs today. Probably get on live with my group for about an hour. I got to take care of some business. I usually don't trade live on Mondays, but I'll probably just get on for them and chop it up with them. So other than that, I see y'all. If y'all looking to join the group, please click the link in the description. SPX Blueprint. We are growing fast. It is such a dope community, small knit community right now. And I'm so excited to see where we are a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now. And we are learning a lot of great technical analysis over there in the group. So yeah, feel free to join. See y'all on the next trade. See y'all on the next, see y'all tomorrow. I go pre-market live tomorrow as well. Peace.